part B. The total surface area of a cone with the radius of x and slant height 3x is equals to area, the radius of r. Show that r is 2x. So do you remember a total surface area of a cone consists of a surface area of a cone is pi x squared plus 2 pi pi rs pi r s is your slant height. Okay, I write it down again. Is pi r s is your slant height. So I need to simplify this. This is what, 3x squared with a pi, 3 pi x squared. Write down nicely. So it's 3 pi x squared. So you add up, you get 4 pi x squared. So they say the total surface area this is equals to area of circle with radius of r. So that means 4 pi x squared to area of circle is pi r squared. So r squared is 4x squared. R is 2x. Yeah. And in fact, they gave us this, right? Curved surface area of a cone radius r is pi rl. Pi rl or pi rs.